In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Steam Mobile Wallet. To get started, open the Steam app on your phone by tapping the Steam icon. Make sure you're using the official app and that your internet connection is stable, since that will help everything load smoothly as you go through the process. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon with the three lines, then log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Be sure to enter your account details carefully so you can access the correct wallet and payment options without any issues. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile name or avatar. This will open a menu where you can select Account Details. This section is where Steam keeps your wallet balance, store preferences, and account-related settings, so it's the right place to go when you want to add funds. Inside Account Details, find the link that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and tap it. Steam will then show you a list of preset amounts you can add. Choose the amount that works best for you, such as a smaller balance for a single game purchase or a larger amount if you plan to buy multiple items. Next, select your payment method from the drop-down menu. Depending on your region, you may see options like PayPal, Gcash, or a credit or debit card. Pick the one you want to use and make sure the payment information connected to that method is up to date so the transaction can go through smoothly. Finally, review the purchase details, agree to the Steam subscriber agreement, and tap Purchase. After the payment is confirmed, the funds should be added to your Steam wallet. If the balance doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh the app or check your wallet balance again in Account Details.